This is the gun's accuracy. I'm aiming for that red dot right there. I'm a fairly accurate shooter, and I'm aiming right down the middle, so this should allow you to see the actual accuracy of the gun. Once again, this is on semi. Alright, that's on semi. Now I'm going to show you full automatic. So we switch this thing around. Alright, switching it to full automatic. This is a power test of the gun. I'm going to be shooting at a can, as you can see. And first I'm going to shoot at it on semi-automatic. Alright, once again this is for the power of the gun. Oops, sorry, that was on full. Alright, now it's on semi. As you can see, it's very powerful. Now you're going to see it on full. Okay, let me just switch this safe to full. Alright. Very powerful, as you can see. This is for the rate of fire of the gun, so you can see the rate of fire. I'm going to be shooting that little piece of paper. Alright. This is on semi, and I'm going to count to 5. I'm just aiming at different places so you could see how many it shoots in a certain amount of time. So I'm just going to count to 5 seconds, shooting as fast as it can go. It's about 6 shots off. Now I'm switching it to full, and I'm going to be switching this target. And again, I'm counting to 5. Okay. As you can see, it gets a lot of shots off. Alright, this is the gun's accuracy on semi. These first 3 shots, don't really pay attention to those because I was kind of off to see where the gun was shooting. And then these shots is where you should probably pay attention because I messed up on these 3. So, pretty decent semi. Now let's move over here to full. Full, it's pretty good except for, I don't know, a couple overshot it. Now let's move to the power on full. Alright, this is semi, sorry. The power on semi, it put some pretty nasty dents in this can. So, as you can see there, that's its power on semi. Then this is its power on full. It just tore right through it. It's like, alright, that's its power on full. Let's move over here to the rate of fire. The rate of fire on semi, it got 6 shots off in 5 seconds, and that's for semi-automatic. Alright, and after that, the rate of fire on full, it got 23 shots off in 5 seconds, which is really good. That may not look like 23, but I counted, it's 23. And that's 23 shots in 5 seconds. So overall, the rate of fire, the power, and the accuracy of the gun is pretty amazing. So that's just a little demonstration there.